Hello! In today's video, I will guide you through requesting a custom prop firm trading set file via your user dashboard. Remember, this feature is exclusively for those with an Expert Advisor license. Trial users won't find this option in their dashboard. Let's dive in. First, access your user dashboard. On the left side menu, click Prop Firm Set Files. Navigate to the Request a Prop Firm Trading Set File section. Here you must complete all fields based on your prop firm specific requirements. For this demonstration, I'm requesting a set file for trading with Perceptrader AI on FTMO. Choose your account type in Account Type. In Objective, specify whether you're aiming to pass a challenge or trade within a funded account. After choosing Prop Firm and Account Type, most fields will autofill aligning with the latest prop firm regulations for that account. Feel free to modify these pre-filled values. You can also manually complete any fields that don't autofill. If unsure, leave them blank. If you have questions about any values, please contact your prop firm support or reach out to us for assistance, and we'll do our best to help you out. Once completed, hit Request Set File and wait for confirmation. Our team will prepare your set file within 48 business hours and upload it to your dashboard. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email confirmation from us. After getting this confirmation, you can head once again to your user dashboard and access your set file. As you can see, your custom set file will appear in the My Prop Firm Trading Set File section, ready for download. You can now download your set file and load it onto your Expert Advisor in the Prop Firm MetaTrader platform. If you need to make any modifications to your set file, feel free to contact us and we'll prepare it right away. That's all. Hope this video helps. Best, Valerie.